So on the Stripe dashboard, you want to click on the settings button at the top right of the screen. Then on the product settings, you want to click on the payments option. And then from the payment settings, tap on this payment methods option. On this page, you may scroll down and search for option called Klarna. And then at the Klarna right here, hover your mouse over it and click on the enable button beside it. Then you are good to go. Klarna is enabled. This is the payment link that I just created, and as you can see, Klarna is already a part of the payment method. Just keep in mind, sometimes it takes times for Stripe to include the new payment method, even few hours in my case, when I try to add another payment method to my Stripe account. While also there is a region lock for some payment methods, so you may not see it. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.